one of my favorite times of year. Getting to hug old friends and teachers, getting to meet new friends and new teachers, and reading so many books and learning so many new incredible things. So welcome to the new year. And when you can't hear it anymore, all you have to do is open your eyes. You have to listen really carefully for it, okay? Today, we get to welcome all our new community members to Meadowbrook. The new sixth grade. Your new SKers. Welcome to the new JKers. We are all now Meadowbrook students and community members and teachers. And I want to wish you all the best, happiest, and learning-filled school year.